So, good evening everyone. My name is James Andre V. Malabanan from CPE 11. So, today we will discuss the basics of Tkinter. So, first, we're gonna import Tkinter as tk. So, next is root or the main window tk.tk. So, next, we're gonna label this. We're gonna make a title for it. My first Tkinter. So next, we're gonna add some label widget. So first, we're gonna make a label is equals to tk dot label root space text is equals to hello Tkinter. So next, we're gonna use a pack of Geometry Manager so that we can position the label. Okay? Label dot pack open close parenthesis. So next, gagamit naman tayo ng button widget or we're gonna use a bottom widget. So def click underscore me open close parenthesis. The next label dot config text equals button click. Okay, next I'm gonna create a button widget with a text and the click function. Button is equals to tk dot button root space text is equals to click me. The command of this will be click me. So we're gonna put the pack of the button. So pagsasama-samahin na natin siya. Button pack. So next, we're gonna start a main loop so that we can open the main event or the loop to keep the window responsive and open. Root dot main loop open close parenthesis. So now we're gonna run this. Wait. Now we're gonna run. So now here's the Tkinter. Here. Tick me. See that? We can click this. See? Hello Tkinter. You can also change this my name. Hulaan mo. Run. So, gonna close this. See this? My name. Hulaan mo. And that's it. Thank you for watching.